For someone who likes and interacts with technology so much, I'm very much cursed. Like, uh, I don't know, my laptop and everything were fine, and just now, when I tried to turn on OBS, my camera was not responding, and then my capture card was not capturing. I, I, that's it. That's all I need to say. Yeah. Coco is being removed from what? What the hell? Okay, I'm just gonna share that to my Facebook. But hi, or rather, yo, um, welcome back. No, I'm not gonna do the usual YouTuber thing. Welcome back to a new now. Hi, this is me streaming the second episode of Detroit Become Human, and I very much like the first episode of me playing it. Yeah, once again, I'm gonna have to use data on my phone because clearly internet, but I'm paying for. That's alright. I don't know what I did to Sherry, but it must have been really bad. Did I get into Covita's okay? So, yeah. Yo, how's it going? I am very much just sharing stuff on my Facebook. Turn up. Okay, and can I don't know, I think only verified accounts can post links to Instagram, right? Right? I don't know. Let me try and see. I'm sorry. Let me try and see. Yeah, it's gonna take a second, but just a second. Let's open Detroit in the meantime and look at this beautiful, very creepy lady. Because that's all she is. Beautiful and creepy. Link. No! I can only link to like IGTV and stuff. Turn up. Yeah. I'm gonna stop. Alright? Hi. I'm gonna play the game now, and just so you know, when I booted up Detroit, it just went like, you've played until late yesterday, and I was like, okay, and don't mention it. But yeah, yo, if I could, I would be streaming naked. It's so hot right now. I don't care what people from Polvi said. It's so hot right now. Okay, let's continue. Yesterday we finished with, I don't know the name of the last one. We started with Kona, we went on with Kara, and then we went to light skinned dude. You know the pretty one? What's his name? Cute boy? I don't know what his name. But I know that I liked it. It was pretty fun. And looking forward to having more. Once again, my chat was not responding, so I was not seeing your chat. So hi everyone. Okay, shh, the game is gaming. Marcus, yeah. My PS4 does sound like that. Jesus Christ. Need to get a PS5, right? 45,000 rupees, just that. But didn't he die? I mean, no, he can't die, right? He's an android, so I guess we just rebooted him. Owners will be prostituted. You all know that meme. Trespassers will be prostituted. I mean, please. Find Lieutenant Anderson. Scan faces. Okay, how to move to... Yeah, it's gotta be him. It's gotta be him. Lieutenant Anderson Hank. Hey! Who's watch The Shawshank Redemption? I don't know the name of the dude, but that's him. I'm about to put him in a cop uniform. Wow. I'm impressed. Very much impressed. Can I talk to him? Yeah. You killed a lot of people. probably having a drink nearby. Sound of a game a bit low. Give me a second. I'm gonna fix that on OBS. Should be better. Let me know. Anyway, but should be better.
In accordance with procedure, the company has allocated a specialized model to assist investigators.
Well, I don't need any assistance. Especially not from a plastic asshole like you. Just be a good little robot. Get the fuck out of here.
Reason.
I think you should stop drinking and come with me.
Something I've said to a lot of ladies. No, I'm kidding. Never done that. No, I'm not gonna persist.
I'm sorry, Lieutenant, but I must insist. My instructions stipulate that I have to accompany you.
You know where you stick your instructions?
In my instruction manual?
Where?
Wow. Why are you tense? You were being a dick. Look, I'm gonna buy him another drink
You know what?
so I can have sex with him later. That's how it works, right? I'm sorry, I don't go to bars often.
Bartender, the same again, please.
Okay, the bartender is not you con. They still have paper money in 2038? Lame. I'm surprised to realize that's him. You should watch Shawshank Redemption. Fantastic movie. It's not groundbreaking, but like the story is well... It's good. It's pretty good. I would say top 10. Top 3 is God of War. God of War? Top 3 is good for the 1. No, good for the 2 and then good for the 1. Third movie, I would say... Personal favorite of mine, The Prestige. I'm gonna be diplomatic.
My instructions are to accompany you to the crime scene.
Because I am in real life very diplomatic.
Instructions.
He's not so much.
You shut the fuck up and you wait.
Conflicting orders, selecting priority. Yeah, I'm just not gonna listen. I agree with this.
I'm not confirming anything.
It's cool that we signed.
Androids are not permitted beyond this point.
Why?
It's with me.
Dumbass.
What part of standing didn't you understand?
Your order contradicted my instructions, Lieutenant.
You don't talk, you don't
Hi,
touch
robots.
anything, stay out
Hi,
of it.
robot. Yeah.
Got it.
Damn it, Hank. We were starting to think you weren't going to show.
Yeah, that was the plan until this asshole found me.
Nice. That's how you do your job.
Very funny. Just tell me what happened.
Can I move? Yeah, I can. Go. Oh my god. Should be smoother to make contact. Jesus, that smell.
It's even worse if we're real in the windows. The victim's name's Carlos Ortiz.
Quite a few things I can scan.
Has a record for theft and aggravated assault. According to the neighbors, he was kind of a loner. Stayed inside most of the time, they hardly ever saw him.
Android info, man? Why are you tasting it? Oh yeah, you are a robot. It would be weird for us to do it.
3 weeks. No more than the coroner gets here. There's a kitchen knife over here. Probably the murder weapon.
Any sign of a break-in?
Nope.
Dried blood. Anything with that? No.
The landlord said the front door was locked from the inside. All the windows were boarded up. The killer must have gone out the back window.
What do we know about his hand?
Not much. The neighbors confirmed he had one, but it wasn't here when we arrived.
So the android killed him.
I gotta get some air. Make yourself at home. I'll be outside if you need.
Okay, everybody's a deviant in this game, everybody just wants to have sex with robots. It's not like we wouldn't, but I'm just saying, tuck it in. What is it that I can look at? More dried blood. 19 days? Jesus Christ. Let's see what's in there. It's the disgusting bathroom. Ooh. Zodiac killer much? This is a weird dildo. Oh, that's already just offering. Whoops. That's it, you're done. You're not gonna inquire about the weird carvings in the wall. Okay, go down. So, let's look at this chair. Fingerprints from Otis Carlos. Signs of a struggle.
This letter is perfect. Way too neat, nope.
Other thing, I feel like I'm connecting with stuff that is not giving me any prompts. Could he use this instead to kill Carlos? Okay, let's reconstruct. Oh. Oh. Okay, now I need to see that from the store though. It could lead anywhere. The event was attacked. Yeah. Hey, that's self-defense. Did you drop something, fat ass? Yeah, another camera angle. Doesn't seem to be moved. Once again, someone who lives in a house like this, how could they afford an Android? How cheap are they, these things? But also, is that in their code? To like defend themselves? Yes, took the knife and this dude got killed. But I don't feel like... There's nothing else I can interact with.
Chris, is this written in the victim's blood?
What?
I would say so. We're taking samples for analysis.
This is just a window outside.
Red ice. Seems our friend Carter's like a party. Chris, I want full analysis on the narcotics.
Android sex officially better. You see, guys, it's been confirmed people with Androids have better sex than people with iPhones. Yeah, I'm not gonna read that. No, that's all. Okay, great. I'm not gonna interact with how fucking weird Carlos was. Hey, but like, how could the blood splatter that far? It's a lot of blood. Okay, that's a dead body. Jesus. AM. C? No. What? I am alive. I dyslexia. Ooh. I'm sure he didn't look much better when he was still alive. Yeah, you're gonna tell me he's deceased. Yeah, great. Helpful. Wait, what was that? What was that? I'm sorry, I didn't get to read. What was that? Red lights, acetyl lithium, therium, toluene, hydrochloric acid. Okay. So he was a junkie, got it. Or maybe this sprinkle some crack. No, we just do that on black people. 28 knife wounds. Internal bleeding, but that's whoever bleeding supposed to be. 28 stab wound. This is more than 19 days ago. Jesus Christ. Alright, what is that? Wait. Fingerprints database match. Yeah, that's fine. Let's reconstruct this. So he was not dead yet when the android... Oh yeah, of course, I guess. You know what? Like, people are like... like, just like I said, what are you gonna do? Stab me. Stabbing is never the cause of, like, a lot of deaths. Like, it has to be, like, a lot of stab wounds to kill someone. Which is weird. Well, I guess it's not weird. I should stop talking about that. Like, I'm sure Pravin's gonna trap me or something. Okay, you stumbled a lot. Alright, started here. Come from the kitchen, and you stabbed and stab more. Jesus, you really had fun with that, didn't you?
He was stabbed.
Yes, he was stabbed.
Yeah. Seems like the killer really had an info.
Report to lieutenant. Didn't I just do that? Okay, I can get more evidence. I will get more evidence if I can get more evidence. I don't think there's much. He lived like a pig. I guess that's it. He lived like a pig. He died like he lived, like trash. And this is that red ice thing. Yeah, drugs, meth, yeah. Victim use drugs. So do I, but I don't. Okay, no. What was it? Report to lieutenant. Where are you? Just leaning here. Is he doing anything about his job right now?
I think I figured out what happened.
Do you?
Oh, yeah? Shoot, I'm all ears.
It all started
In the kitchen.
in the living room.
No!
I think you should look harder at the mess in the kitchen.
I didn't press
I
that.
think that's where it all started.
Hey, I didn't press that.
There are obvious signs of a struggle. Question is, what exactly happened here?
I think the victim attacked the android
With the bat.
with the bat.
Hands up with the evidence. Come on.
And by the way, this guy is drunk on the job. Android stabbed the victim stabbed the android threw the chair. No, android stabbed the
The
victim.
android stabbed the victim.
So the android was trying to defend itself, right? Okay, then what happened?
The victim fled to
Living room.
the living room.
That's funny. I don't know. I'm giggling.
Try to get away from the android. That makes sense.
The android murdered the victim with the knife.
Okay. Your theory's not totally false. It doesn't tell us where the android went.
It was damaged by the bat and lost some theory.
Lost some what?
Theory. You call it blue blood.
Oh,
It's the fluid that powers
Like
androids'
cups?
biocomponents. It evaporates after a few hours and becomes invisible to the naked eye.
But I bet you can still see it, can't you?
Correct.
search for blue blood traces. Can I do that? Oh, cool. Okay, yeah, I saw that it's over there. Let me walk. Let me walk. how am I gonna find blue blood? Yeah, better odds of finding footsteps.
Door's locked from the inside. I must have gone out this way.
There are no footprints apart from an Officer Collins-sized tin shoes.
It was 7 weeks ago. Tracks could have faded.
No, this type of soil would retain a trace. He's been out here for a long time.
Fair enough. What else? I guess let's go back to the kitchen and start tracking the blood. No. I don't want to read about Android porn once again. What else can I track? Blue blood traces. Is that? There's some blue blood here. Oh, I get it now. I just have to go where it killed Fatih and then keep going from there. Yeah, but I hate that every time I'm scanning. Yeah, but how did you leave? Because like the blue blood doesn't go there. Do you go back there? No. Okay, I think I get the trail. Yes. Ladder was used. Interesting. Ta-da! Let's look. Let's be a little bit of a voyeur. Hey, I know where he left. To find something to climb. Should I just get a chair? Can I? I can't grab this. Once again, we'll only be tampering with evidence.
Hey, what are you doing with that chair?
Yeah.
I'm going to check something.
I'm gonna check if it sits right, I don't know. Ooh, ominous. He's hiding. Well, not much to search for here, is there? Please don't be a jump scare. It's gonna be a jump scare, isn't it? Okay, it's gonna be kind of a jump scare. Like we all know he's here, but like... Connor, shouldn't it be the time for you to just be like, hey, I know you're here, let's talk. Aren't you like a negotiator? I saw that red ring. Okay. Real knows real.
I was just defending myself.
him.
I'm begging you. Don't tell me.
Connor, what the fuck is going on up there?
Oh, I'm gonna have a choice to lie now.
It's here, Lieutenant!
Oh, well, no.
Oh, shit. Chris! Hey! Get your asses in here now! Come on!
Negotiate to do something? No, just sell him out. Wow, I would never betray brother like this. Oh, you get points for that. Found deviant. There's a possibility to not find it. Interesting. I expect that you don't find it with the other one. Okay, I don't care. Yeah, it's very sad. Like, he just sold him out like this. But I guess I'm Connor. I'm just an android. And she's Mrs. Kara. Kara? No. Big.
Dinner is ready.
I guess this for him too. Still don't get it. This dude should not be able to afford anything.
There wasn't much in the kitchen. I did what I could.
Barely has food left. Is that to have like pasta for dinner? Imagine. No, I'm not shaming people who like to have pasta for dinner. Sorry. What am I supposed to do? Turn on the light. Oh wow. You have a TV that turns on when you see television. But you have to turn on the lights manually. Wow.
Life's funny.
Is it? So you don't even have a job. How can you afford this?
Got this goddamn house. Fucking android.
Hire? You don't have money. How can you afford anything?
These androids are so fucking wonderful.
Yeah, they are. Cheaper too.
Fail. I'm tired. Sad.
Okay, that's...
Perfectly ruined my fucking life.
No,
What's your fucking problem?
you don't.
Not the life you dreamed of, eh? Maybe you think this is easy. Maybe you think it's my fault. Took off.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Bitch took off the word. Fucking whore walked down on me from fucking.
I mean, I don't think it's... Well, the accountant is employed. I better get a way to let him die or kill him myself.
Back here.
Back here?
Back here? Come back here right now!
This is bad.
Yes! Stay there. Don't you dare fucking move. I'll bust you as the last time.
So he literally just admitted. Don't move.
Took off the word.
Yeah, but the kid, can I just... I want to move it like gently. Oh, it's like I'm in my head breaking the barriers that are stopping me from... Yeah, fuck you, Todd. Yeah, that's a better protocol. No. You were not. It was still trash. It was here, right? Hey, kiddo.
He's coming. He's gonna hurt me. Run! Run! Get away! Get away! Or he's gonna break you like last time.
Alice! Daddy's coming! You need to be taught a lesson.
I have to find something.
Things are turning sour real quick. Find something. I found something.
What the fuck are you doing here? Get out of my way!
You didn't notice what I didn't.
No. I won't let you hurt her.
What the fuck are you talking about? You're just a goddamn piece of plastic!
People who have sex with these androids. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about that right now. I've played God of War since I was a child, bitch. You're not gonna get me in this. Cuties, bitch. My whole life. I'm gonna mess up something. Weird stuff. This is intense. Wait, oh no, that's, yeah, let's see. No. That's not how it works. I guess it is. But like, I don't wanna. Oof. Oof. I don't feel like it's dead, so it's not that satisfying. But oof. No, I don't have time to look at Todd. I'm bouncing. You gotta force. Shit. No! Like, give me more time to choose, come on. Shit. No, I shouldn't laugh right now. I'm giggling for nothing. Jump! Jump! Let's bounce. Hey. Burst Ex Machina. It's pretty good. It's pretty good set piece. Aww. I still don't want kids, but aww. Okay, back to my point. If they're made out of plastic, human beings in 2038 are just buying sex dolls. Kara and Alice fought their way out. Yeah, this is death, I suppose. Thankfully I didn't get that. And we are back to Marcus. Yeah. Jesus, we get it, you're rich.
By far the most boring party I've been
Damn.
Every time I go to one of these, I ask myself, what the hell am I doing here? I hate cocktail parties. All the schmoozers that go there.
Well, it's a chance for all those people who admire your work to meet you.
No one gives a damn about
True.
art. All they care about is how much money they're gonna make out of it.
True.
Come on, let's
Content
have a
creators and
drink.
Mauritius in 2021. Well, since before that was like that. Wait, what am I supposed to do? Prepare calls evening, take call, okay, fine.
Scotch, neat as usual.
Absolutely.
Okay, but you know what your doctor would say.
Yeah, well, you can kiss my ass. I'm old enough to choose my own medication.
He's right. When you're that age, you should get fucked up every day. When I'm getting that old, because I know I'm old already, I'm just gonna be on so many drugs at once.
Did you
Might as
work
well.
a while in the studio?
No.
I'm sure I didn't.
I'm a robot, I can't.
Call the police.
Detroit police, what's your emergency?
This is Carl Manfred's android at 8941 Lafayette Avenue. We've just returned home and found the lights on. There may have been a break-in.
The patrol car is on the way.
Let's go check it out.
What? What? Can I drop him and go on my own? Because this doesn't seem like a good idea to go together. Oh, deadbeat son.
Leo! What are you doing?
You refuse to help me, so I'm helping myself. It's crazy what some people pay for this shit.
Don't touch him.
They're all gonna be mine sooner or later anyway. Just think of it as a down payment on my inheritance.
Marcus, get him away from there. Get him out of here.
Gonna fight this bitch.
Look, I've already called the police. You should go now before you get yourself into more trouble.
All you ever do is tell me to go away. What's wrong, Dad? Not good enough for you? Not perfect.
Clearly you're not.
That's enough. Get out right now.
What makes it so special anyway, huh? What's it got that?
Leave him alone.
Come on, let's see what you got.
Marcus, don't defend yourself. You hear me? Don't do anything.
What does that mean?
Go ahead, hit me. What you waiting for? If you're a man, act like one. What's the matter? Too much of a pussy?
Stop it, Leo!
Just here to fight back, you fucking bitch!
These guys are definitely gonna die anyway, so I might as well. No, I will fuck him up. Whenever the option is to fight, I fight. Did I break it?
Oh, right, that's right. I forgot you're a real person. You're just a fucking piece of plastic.
Didn't I break it?
Destroy you. Don't just believe my dad.
No. Dead, bitch. I mean, oops, but I...
Leo. Oh my God. Leo.
I had to do it to them.
Boy.
Carl,
They'll destroy you, Marcus. You gotta go. Get out of here.
Carl, I didn't mean to.
Get out! Now! Go! Marcus! Don't fucking move!
I say one bullet. Nah, I'm pretty sure he survives, because if you don't see someone die, there's another option. They can not mistake me for the aggressor. I guess if I endured, but the world is better without this fucking kid.
What happened before you took that knife? How long were you in the attic? Why did you even try to run away? Say something, goddammit! Fuck it. I'm out of here. We're wasting our time interrogating the machine. We're getting nothing out of it.
You always try roughing up a little. After all, it's not human. Androids don't feel pain. It would only damage it, and that wouldn't make it talk. Deviants also have a tendency to self-destruct when they're in stressful situations.
Okay, smartass. What should we do then?
I could try questioning him.
That dude is a cliché.
We have to lose. Go ahead. Suspect's all yours.
Once again, I'm sorry, I don't like overreacting, so I'll mostly be trying to focus on what they're saying, and then I'm not going to be able to focus because my mind wanders in every direction. So I hope you guys like the game. I don't care about if you like my reaction. I hope you like the game because I like it. I want to keep streaming it. Oh, I have to sit by myself. Always a black man in chains. I get you. I know what you mean. I mean, he's pretty beaten up. Like, what is there to analyze? Yeah, he's the blood of the victim, and also the very the assault. 8 knocks, no critical damage, while 2 killed by baseball bat. Burn marks. Repeated markings over 16 months. Caused by cigarettes. Model HK400. Housekeeper. Manufacture date 05/29/2030. Property of Carlos Ortiz. I have no clue what I did that. Missing one thing. What is it? Okay. Signs of software instability. Probability of self-destruction low. Well, when Marcus was playing, that thing turned yellow too. Let's talk. Yeah.
Do you want to do that? Did he beat you? My name is Connor. What about you? What's your name?
Why are you going down? I'm trying to be empathetic.
Listen. I know you've been through a lot. But you need to help me understand what happened.
Well, you actually sold him out, Connor, so...
Listen, I'm on your side. I want to help you. But there's nothing I can do if you won't talk to me.
Jesus Christ. Is it gonna keep going down?
I'm here to help you. But you've got to trust me. All I want is to get you out of here. Disassemble you to look for problems in your biocomponents. You have no choice if they want to understand what happened.
Unless...
Why did you tell him you followed me? Why couldn't you just have left me?
I was programmed to hunt deviants like you. I just accomplished my mission. I don't want to die. Then talk to me. I can't.
I'm not convinced.
I understand how you felt. You were overcome by anger, frustration. No one can blame you for what happened. You're scared, lost. You're disturbed by what happened. Talk to me, and you'll feel better.
I'm sure there's a lot of fan fiction. People are so weird.
Confess and I'll protect you. I promise I won't let anyone hurt you.
Jesus Christ. How do we get back from there? Convincing fail. I'm gonna probably
You
maybe.
leave me no choice.
Wow. Wow, yeah. I need 2 hands to do that. This dude look like fat Neil Druckmann.
I accessed its memory. I know what happened.
Should I get up? I feel like he's gonna do something bad to himself. That ring is red, dude. But look at the cinematography on this. With the red lights on the... Okay, I'm just gonna get up. He's gonna do something. I can't just get to leave like this. Yeah.
Fuck, it's destroying itself.
Stop him, Connor.
Stop it, goddammit! I can't stop it!
No.
That's enough. You need to stop that right now.
No, don't undo that. That was dumb.
Holy shit!
I died twice. Both times because of androids that I was trying to help. Maybe I'm not too good at this. I thought that was going to be my last mission for today, but I think we can squeeze another chapter. Hopefully the next one is not like 45 minutes. Now we should be to Kara, girl one, definitely. Thank you for using Detroit buses. Can androids sleep?
Alright. End the line.
End of the line.
Yeah, you're gonna have to leave.
Wake up. We have to go. Do you know if there's any other place we could spend the night?
I have no idea.
find somewhere to spend the night.
Good. Hold my hand. Yeah.
Come on, Alice, we've got to hurry.
Yeah, but these are just... I told him. I don't think they can help. Why even stand by? Sort of a bit tough.
We need a place to stay. Do you know anywhere we could spend the night?
Okay, discount Chris Evans. Hold my hand. Hold my hand, child. No, I still don't want kids. But she needs protection. This is... what? What is... yeah, let me interact with it. Oh, I can examine for me. You won't open before morning. 24/7 can't stay. What is that? Oh. Comfortable but not discreet. We'll need money. Uncomfortable but safe. How to get in though? Very uncomfortable but discreet. Open the vacancy here. Ask for help. Oh, that's like a shop. Let's try and ask for help. Hey, where are you going? Child? Child, hold my hand. Where are you wandering off to? See, that's why I don't want these. Comfort, Alice. Well, she didn't want to hold my hand. Where is she? Okay. And what? We're just gonna go. It's not very discreet. Well, very thingy.
Alice, you're freezing cold.
I'm okay. I'm not so cold.
You look lost.
Are you lost, baby girl?
We have nowhere to go.
I know someone who can help you.
That's on the other side of town. We need a place for tonight.
We just bounced. And couldn't we have got like a lift?
Come on, Alice.
It's not like want to, but like
An abandoned house. At least we'll be out of the rain.
I don't like this place.
I know.
you want to sleep in
It's
the
just
car.
one night and no one will look for us here.
Hey, why you cutter? Where am I gonna find that? Well, not so hard, was it? Why occur ex machina?
Are you alright?
Oh shit.
Yes, it's just a scratch. Be careful.
This but a scratch.
Don't worry, we're just having a look.
Please don't have a jump scare. Please. Okay, fine. Who locked that?
Alice!
Kid. Don't do that to me.
Alice?
Kid, don't do that to me.
Wait, what are you doing?
Visitors. Ralph doesn't like visitors. They're nasty. And they hurt Ralph.
She's just a little girl. She's not gonna hurt you.
Little girl. She's not a little girl. Anyway, what does that matter? Maybe she wants to hurt Ralph.
I don't know what the humans did to you, but she had nothing to do with it.
All humans.
What is she? She's not a little girl.
But Ralph won't let them hurt him again. No, he won't let them.
Oh, you speak like Kanye. Great.
We thought nobody was here. All we want is a place to spend the night.
Visitors are dangerous.
Why? Do we look dangerous?
They did to Ralph.
Jesus.
You have nothing to worry about. You're not going to do her any harm. You have my word.
You must excuse Ralph. Ralph still finds it difficult to control himself. Sometimes his fear makes him do things he regrets. Ralph has seen some hard times.
You and me both, Ralph.
He's just so scared the humans will get him again.
Humans are bad.
You can stay if you want. Ralph won't hurt you.
Okay. We'll just stay the night.
Come on! Come!
I think like he's inviting me to a jamboree.
This way!
Hold on.
Ralph has lived here since he ran away. Ralph lives here. He's in the spot from time to time. Ralph just hides till he leaves. You can make yourself at home here. Ralph is going to go into the other room. He'd like to stay with you. He has things to do.
Such as.
It's just for one night, Alice. We'll find a better place tomorrow. Right. Let's see where you can sleep. Sit down and I'll start a fire.
You know how to do that. Please don't make Ralph like crazy and stuff. Please. How do I start a fire? We didn't start the fire. Matches. I love it. In this game you always get whatever you need. Paper. Fantastic. Wood? You want some? No, this is not wood. But it'll do. Must be infested with lice. What else can we get? Oh, there's a fireplace over there. Nice little bed. We got ourselves here, and this should be wood. Don't you think people will find it weird that these abandoned houses, chimneys, you know. Oh. Ralph, please. Let's talk.
RA9. What does that mean?
What?
Those symbols. Why are you writing that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. That was not... That's... No. Why not? I'm alive or 8-9. I don't get this. Wood. You got that wood. Okay, Adrien, stop. It's a very serious game. Oh, touchpad.
You can come to bed. I did what I could. It's not much, but at least you'll be warm.
I think you're not the problem here, girl. Don't let him gaslight you.
Maybe I did something wrong.
Did you?
Maybe I wasn't good enough.
Weren't you?
That's why I was always so late. I just wanted us to be a family. I just wanted him to love me. Can we just be happy? You'll never leave me. I promise you'll never go.
No, I promise.
Promise.
Will we be together forever?
Forever.
Sure.
My PS4's fan is working extra right now. I'm sure you can hear it, but yeah, this is a very cute scene. Aww. Still don't want it. No, I'm gonna stay with her. I was streaming Red Dead. It will either explode or take off. You're right. Oh. Trophy and shelter. Okay. There's other options, I guess. I would say, Jesus, yeah, there are other options. That is definitely the best part of this game. Friend stats, that would be one other person. Hey, we had the same thing. Friend. Yeah, seems like we did. Well, yeah, we pretty much did the same stuff. I guess this is sleeping in the car. Anyway, it's been 1 hour and 6 minutes. I'm sorry I started a bit later. My camera just decided to not work at the start of the stream. This is just getting better every week. That'll be all for today's second episode. Tomorrow you might want to tune in on my Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everything at 10:30. Wink wink. Felt like my face had a spasm. Spasm, yeah. Instead of saying it in French, Adrien. But yeah. And I'm also kind of tired, but like, I really like the game. I like to keep playing, but like, as an old person myself, it's not really an option anymore. So, yeah. It's been fun. It's a good game, and I don't know, like, I feel like it's paced like a movie. I think that's what they were going for, because that's why I stop at times and just like, wow, the cinematography. Because I feel like it's made like a movie, but it's like very open-ended. It's good. Quantic Dream. Are we the ones who did Heavy Rain? You know? Jason! For people who don't know Heavy Rain and the Jason meme, please YouTube it. But hey, that's gonna be all for like right now. For like right now means like today's episode. Thanks, guys. Yeah, Heavy Rain and Beyond. Was there another game? Oh, there's Until Dawn, but I don't think that's them. Right? And the horror, scary thingy one? I don't think that's them. But yeah. Thanks for tuning in, my dudes. I'll see you guys tomorrow. 10:30 might be something on my page, might not. Who knows? I'm dead. Why? I think it's just too hot. I should invest in AC. But first off, we're in a lockdown. Second thing is winter is coming. So fantastic. Hey, I'm dead inside more than anything else. So I will be bidding you guys farewell. Not farewell, because I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, twice, kind of. So that was Adrien for today's stream, and thanks for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow. I hope you like the game. Let me know what you like the most about this episode, or whatever YouTubers usually say, because I'm clearly not that anymore.